Good morning, Saharis. Today I want to do some explain about the TOEFL for the listening section, the reading section, and then the structure section. Uh, First of all, let me introduce myself first. My name is Kevin Xavier Kristiaji, and I am from NIM 2019-523. Now, I want to start from the listening section. I choose the skill 11, that is listen for expression agreement. Okay, now let's start. In the expression of agreement, there is two statements. The first statement is agreement with positive statement and then agreement with negative statement. For example, agreement with positive statement, we can say that so do I, me too, I'll say, isn't it? Or so you can say it again. So in this agreement, it shows that you are agree with the state that the listener edit. But from the agreement with negative statement, you will have some neither do I or I don't either. Next, let's go to the example. On the recording, you will hear, I think the hypothesis is indefensible. The woman said, so do I. Nah, what does the woman mean? Nah, as we look, the woman said, so do I. So, the woman was agree with the statement that the man gave. So, the answer is D. She agrees with the man. Okay, let's continue to some exercise. The first, woman said, these paintings are really fascinating. The man said, aren't they? What does the man mean? The man was not pretty sure about the paintings, but in this conversation we can include that he finds these paintings quite interesting because the man said, aren't they? So the man was agree with the woman's statement. Let's continue to the exercise number 2. In the exercise number 2, you will hear two conversations. The woman said, I don't really care for the way the building was renovated. And then the man said, I don't either. So, what does the man mean? In this conversation, we can tell that the man was really also don't care about the renovation of the building. So we can answer that he thinks the building, he has the same opinion of the building as the woman. Let's continue to the exercise number 3. There are two conversations. The man said that, I think that both candidates for country supervisor are unqualified. The woman said, me too. What does the woman mean? In this conversation, we can say that the woman was agree with the man's statement that the both candidates for country are unqualified. So you can say that she agrees with the man. I think that's all from the listening for expression of agreement. Now let's continue to structure. Let me open the PPT first. Okay, now let's continue to the structure session. From the structure session, I choose for the structure and written expression, I choose the skill number 21, that is make verbs agree after expression of quantity. So in this structure session, in the skill 21, they want to explain that the subject, like all, most, or some, can be singular or plural, depending on what follows the preposition of. Now let's see from the first example, from the singular. All of the book was interesting. From the plural, all of the books were interesting. The third example is all of the information was interesting. It is uncountable. Now we can see that we can compare from the three example from singular, plural, and uncountable. We can say that there's different subject in the example. So the subjects, the, the singular or plural words was depending on the preposition of its subject. Now, for the subject or verb or agreement in the expression of motivity, we can say that all books, most books, some books, half books. So and then the object was book, and then the verb we can say an agreement like interesting. Now let's continue to the exercise. There are some statements that was tell that the statement was correct or incorrect. Now let's try some. The witness saw that most of the fire in the hills was extinguished. Now we can say that this is correct because the subject was followed by his proposition. Next, number 2. Some of the animals from the zoo was released into the animal preserve. Now in this statement we can say that this is incorrect because in the first of the sentence they say some, and then the animals he added with s, so they must be only one with no s, and then was released into animal preserve. Now I think that's all from the structure section. Let's move to the reading section. Let me open the PPT first. Okay, let's continue. From the skill 6, I choose from the reading section, I choose from the skill 6. Skill 6 is about answer implied detailed question correctly. How to identify the question? First, it is implied in the passage that. The second, it can be inferred from the passage that. The third, it most likely that. The fourth, what probably happened. When we want to find the answer in the implied detailed question, the answer of this question are found in order in the passage. How do we answer the question? First, we have to choose the keyword in the question. Then scan the passage for the keyword or related idea. And then we must be careful to read the sentence that contains the keyword. And then the last, look for an answer that could be true according to that sentence. Now I choose one example. As you can see on the PPT slide, PPT skill 6 of reading, you can found a text. The title is the passage. Now there are two questions from this text. The first is that which of the following is probably not an Hawaiian word. Now in this question you must be careful to find the not an Hawaiian word, so you must read the sentence very carefully. In this text the answer was C, like Maclea, because this text was there's not Maclea on it. And then number 2, it is implied that allow is. Now you must read first and then find the answer. The answer is 2. The answer is B, a face. Now I think that's all for my explain about the listening section, structure section, and reading section. I'm sorry if there any wrong sentence or wrong saying that when I'm explain. Thank you, and then good morning, sir.